Hi everyone, welcome back to Blessed channel. In this channel we talk about cryptocurrency, talk about crypto airdrop. We also talk about trading. We give out free signals, futures trading and spot trading. So if you want to know more about it, if you want to join it, I'll be leaving the link in the description section. Well, in this video we'll be talking about this ongoing airdrop, Metamask Airdrop. Yes, there's an airdrop right now on Metamask. So in this video I'll be guiding us step by step how to participate on this airdrop. It's an airdrop we should take advantage of. I've done all my research and I discovered this airdrop is verified. In case you want to verify yours, you can also check their support and verify too. The airdrop is verified and confirmed. So I'll be taking us through how to participate in this airdrop. So if you are new to this channel, subscribe to this channel and watch this video to the end so that you will not miss any important parts. Yes, so let's get started now. So all you need to do is this latest version of this MetaMask. Yes, you need this latest version, and at the time of this video, that version is not available on Play Store. This version now, you can't find it on Play Store right now. Yes, you can see the version here. Just click on these three dots here, click on it. Let me show you the current version now. Just click on about MetaMask. You can see now version 7.57.1. This is the current version. I think the former version is version 7.67, something like that. Yes, you can check it here. If you want to check the version also, yeah, you can tag the MetaMask here. MetaMask, you can click it here under app info here, click it. You can see now this is the current version now. In case you may update your own, you may not see this airdrop displaying here. Yes, I mean reward, this way you see. In case you update your own, even though you update it, you can't find this here. I'll be showing us where you can get this latest version from. Yes, so you can see the airdrop here, 250 points. Before it was I think yesterday it was 500 points. Now they have reduced it to 250 points. You can see now when people are coming in, you have to get involved in this airdrop now, because they will keep reducing it, and it's an airdrop we should not joke with. Yeah, so how can you get this version now? Okay, what you do, just go to our Telegram channel. So on our Telegram channel now, you can see the APK version now. You can see it now. So all you need to do, you have to come to our channel. I'll be leaving the link there, our Telegram channel link. I'll be leaving it. So you just have to come here. You can see it here. Just click on it and download it and install it to your phone. Yes, you can see it here. So after installing it, before you install it, ensure your current
MetaMask,
the current one, the old version, ensure you uninstall
to watch
it.
More,
you understand?
Subscribe.
Because it won't install you uninstall your old version. And before you uninstalling, make sure you write down your secret phrase or your passphrase. Ensure you write it down before you uninstall the old version. So after install this new version, now what you need to do, you have to import your secret phrase. Yes, so let me show us something here. So all right, so when you just install this new one, this is what you see. Yes, you have to you click on this I have existing wallet. If you have it before, then input your secret phrase or passphrase here. Then if you are new to MetaMask, you can create a new wallet. You get. All right. Okay. Here now, you input that if you are old user, you input you import your secret phrase here or passphrase here. Then click next. You approve this, continue. Then here now, this is you just click continue. Here you see all these things. These are screenshots when I was doing mine. So you have to click next. So I'm going to show us where you get the points now. Click next here. Next. Now here now you are going to put you get the 250 point now. You get the 250 point. You are going to input the code. You can see the code displaying here. You can see the code here. So put the code here. Put the code here and continue and confirm here. You can put the code here. Without input the code, they will not give you the point, the bonus. You understand the points. Alright, so after that you have to click next. After that you are going to see all this. Yes, you understand. And in case you import your secret phrase, you are an old user, you import your secret phrase and you will not see all these details here. In case you will not see immediately you import your secret phrase, you will not see all this one where you can put the code to get the reward. Once you open it, once you just import your secret phrase, click on reward. You understand? When you click on reward, I think you should be seeing this. You should be seeing all these things to input the code and get your reward. You understand? So having done that, this is when you click on reward. Having done all that, you have to come to this reward here. You can see the point here. You can see the point here. The season end 85 days. Understand? So you can see there. If you want to earn more points here, way to earn more, if you want to earn more, you can see this. You see, when you swap when you swap any token, when you make use of their MetaMask, you swap any coin up to 1,000 or $100, you earn 80 points. You can see this one also. When you perform this, you earn 10 points. This one they say 10 points per 50 friends. You can see this point is very, very scarce. To get, you have to do a lot of activities. You have to do a lot of work before you get. You understand? So you have to get into this airdrop now, so that you can save something before the listing or launching dates. Yes, you understand? So these are the way you earn from this airdrop. These are the way you earn from this airdrop. You swap, make use of the MetaMask, you earn. Use another one, perpetual, you earn another one. Referral, you earn it also. You understand? Yes. So this how to earn from this. How to participate on this MetaMask airdrop. It's an airdrop we should not joke with. Yes. So thanks for watching. In case you have any question, you can leave your question in the comment section, or join our Telegram channel on social media platform, Telegram channel, WhatsApp group for more. So as I was saying, we give out free signal. You can join our Telegram channel or our WhatsApp group for free signal. Yes, so that is all for now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more. Bye for now.